Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is a catch up on my hydrangea cuttings. These are ones that were taken last year when they were in full flower from one of my neighbours. As you can see, this one, I'm going to show you them all because I don't always get everything right. This one has been left to dry out. Well, they all have. Had some really hot weather a few weeks ago and I wasn't on the ball. By the time I came in, they had totally dried out, but I've watered them every day since. Made sure they don't dry out, and as you can see, they're coming back nicely now. Some nice fresh green shoots on there, so these will recover and these will be really nice plants. You can see there where the cuttings were taken last year, and I was a bit worried that this was dieback and I was going to lose them, but I haven't. And they've grown from the bottom just under the soil, sent out fresh new shoots, which I'm really pleased about. And they have some new shoots on the way as well, which I'm really pleased about. But if you just see there, yep, just there, the bottom. This one here, as you can see, like I said, died back a little bit, but that's probably the best one out of the lot. Got some dead leaves, I'll cut them off later. So yeah, this is basically my hydrangea cuttings, just a catch up. I'll just get one out with the pot and let's just have a look at the root, shall we? Pick this one, try and pick a good one. As you can see, nice, fresh, white roots, that's what you want to see. Don't much dye back. So even though these have been left to dry out, they will recover. I'm going to put these up into, I've got some big black pots that I'm going to use for these. And I'm going to choose where in bats in the garden I'm going to have them. So yeah, my hydrangea cuttings, I've used a peat-based compost for these. And they rooted quite easily, as long as you don't let them dry out when you take the cuttings, that's the main thing. And they just really want to grow, hydrangeas. They love taking cuttings from. I've never taken a plant that's easier to do than hydrangeas. I said, look at that one, that's gorgeous, that. You can see the dye back there. That'll come back. And that's looking nice, the nice side shoots. But yeah, I've never taken a plant that wants to root so quickly. It roots quickly and it establishes really good plants. So if you've got a neighbour, if you've got any plants that you fancy, what you need to do is pick a shoot that isn't in flower, and if you get one that is in flower, cut the flower head off, stick it in some compost, keep it damp and moist, and they should root pretty quickly. Like I said, if you take it in midsummer, you want to make sure you keep it well watered, don't let it dry out, and they will root really quick. So yeah, that's my hydrangea cuttings. If you've got any questions I'd say to ask, folks, if you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep yourself safe. Thank you. Bye.